Morning. Well, it's about 7:45 and just got out of the house and coming up here to 6420. I'm gonna get this fired up. I need to haul a load or two, depending on how much I want to. I need to start putting this slide up, because once it gets cold out, you keep that slide down, it'll freeze in there. You won't be able to use it, and it'll possibly break the chain. But this is what we got to haul here. Not quite. I mean, it's a decent amount. But yeah, so we got this tractor fired up. We'll go get in the skid loader, fire that up, and we'll talk about more what we're gonna do today. We have officially started harvest. Today's November 1st. So we started yesterday on Halloween. We got 2 semi loads in before or after. We probably, first load I remember now, we dumped in was 336. Yeah, that's what the loadout, or not loadout sheet, we have a sheet in there that we can track how many dumps we do and whatnot. So yeah, it's 336 first dump. We did 2 loads just to get it going. We weren't gonna go full speed, but today we're gonna go. We're gonna see how much this dryer can do in a day. Come on. Well, the glow plugs are off. Get this fired up. I'd like to do chores right now, but I don't know. I should wait a little while for them to warm up. But I'll show you the grain cart. We got it on the Magnum K7120. And then we got an Easy Trail 510. Yep, this is what we're rocking this fall. It's on it every year, unless we do high moisture corn. This is normally not on it. Or in past years when we've done beans, this tractor here won't be running, or won't be used. We'll just run the 4440, which is on the corn planter you see in the spring. So that's what we put it on. It's a frosty one this morning. It froze pretty good last night. But yeah, got the semi all going. We haven't shelled much. We've shelled here and there just to put on the concrete up front to feed to the cattle every morning, because these bins are empty other than the one with the auger on it. You can hardly see it. That one. So that one isn't all the way empty. That one's 3/4 full, but we had to move tanks from over there that used to dry with the old dryer that was in the bin. It's just a big fan with burners in it. I blew it in there and warmed it, or cooled it and warmed it. Did the same thing. But that one's 3/4 full because we had to use the gas up in our tanks so we can move a tank over there. So we had to fill that and dry that. So that's all dry in there. So now with our plan with the dryer over there is to just haul everything here, fill these bins, and everything left we'll just truck out once that bin's full, and then we'll refill it and truck it all out and refill it. So I'm not gonna bore you with that, but I'm gonna go do this. I'm probably not gonna make this this will probably be a video just this morning, probably. I don't know, we'll see. I talk a lot. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, guys, well, we're out here in the field. Got it all loaded up, spread. That's how it looks back there. We've covered some of this field, not much, just over the summer. We didn't really start hauling until the wheat was off, and really when the wheat was off, we didn't haul it much. We had another spot we could haul, so that's where we hauled. But now that we're got that other place we hauled full, now we can haul to this. It's a cold one this morning, so I know we're steaming because it's warm. But yeah, that's all I'll show you. There ain't much going on, you know. Down, and then go back to the farm, get you another load, come back, spread down. Hey guys, a couple hours later, see we're in the grain car, the 7120 Magnum. So we're actively showing corn. We just opened up this new field here. We're trying to test for some moisture, just because this stuff we were over on, it's dry. It's dry. We're gonna try and see if we can open up a different field, see if we can find some drier stuff before dark. As it's actively 7:22 right now, so I'm following my dad back here in this field. I'll turn the camera around and show you up front here. See him up front there. Just turning around. He's got a load on him. Yep, that's what's going on right now. This stuff is 22 to 25%, so that's not what we want. We want something drier. We're running, was it 15 over there? No, I think it was 19 over there, which is perfect. Other than we found a different variety of corn that's 30%, and that's way too wet. So obviously that corn hasn't fell yet. We're hoping for the corn to fall. It did a little bit, not much though, but enough that we can start going. Gosh, there's nothing left of this headlamp. It's so bad. Look at that. All deer. This field's the worst for deer. You come back here late doe season in Michigan, you shoot 4 if you want, or more. I've shot 4. I used up all of my tags that night. But yeah, that's what we got left of corn. Other than, I mean, if you look at the sides here, just some nice corn. Sorry about my camera mouth. Yeah, that's corn. We got some good yields in corn right now. We're averaging, well, I wouldn't say averaging, but we've hit 280 in another field. This is our second day challenging. And if you wonder why it's 5:22 It's 5.4 now. But if you wonder why I didn't video this morning, apparently it decided let's rain. It rained, sprinkled, misted, just did everything. They didn't snow, but so we got a late start on it, and I was just getting back used to me running the grain cart here, so that's why I didn't video. So now I'm starting to video. I'm also looking for deer scrapes. It's a good hunting spot. Might do some unloading on the go here. Alright, let's get ready to unload on the go. So here we go. You can see that in the camera that we got up there. We're dumping into the grain cart. This is what unloading on the go looks like. Then I can switch it to that. That's my auger cam. So you can't see much now, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So yep, here's some unloading on the go. I'll set you guys down. We'll get this offloaded. We'll see what's gonna happen. We're switching fields for sure. We'll see if we go back to the other one or not. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright guys, hey, how's it going? So, let me look at my watch. 6 o'clock, just dumped the truck and the bin site. I'll show you the bin site right now. Boom, that's a bin site. Pull up and show you. So, we dumped the truck right here into this auger, which takes up here, drops it into the hopper bin, and it sits there until the dryer, if I can find my finger, the dryer needs corn. Then the dryer will call for corn, it'll drop out of this bin, up this auger into here. And in the dryer, it's got these rolling meters, they're called, through the length of the dryer. And they've got paddles on it, and it slowly dumps corn. I mean, it's not slowly, but it's fast, but not like super fast. So then it's continuous out this dryer into another little auger, which is a jump auger. And up here, drops into here. And yeah, that's the bin site. Finally it's done. I'm so happy. But you can see rain. We got rain coming. It's spitting out the window there. So we're gonna go fill the truck once more and call it a night, because we got a lot. The hopper bottom's full, so we got a lot in there. So yeah. So we're gonna go over here and shell down. I'm gonna meet my dad at the end of the field there to get a load off of him. Yep, it's raining. Look at the sky over there though. But here, let's show you this. Look at the sky. It's going to rain. Wow, it's raining. My phone just alerted me a couple minutes ago that it's gonna start raining, so lights are on. I'm always the first one. I like my lights. But we're gonna take off down this field and catch them on the other side. Oh, never mind, I wasn't the first one today. My dad started. Hey, I'm not the first one. I'll get these wipers working. That means I'm going to clean my window in the morning. Trying to drive, get a camera set up is quite hard. Oh, shoot. I probably should have dumped off. transport the grain back and forth. So it's easier just to go in there with the ripper, rip that line. But sometimes I'll veer off to dump off him, or him to dump on me, so yeah. Turn the wipers on. Here comes up on my yellow strip across here. I don't know if you guys want to know, but somebody forgot to close the trap on the bottom of the grain cart. His name starts with a C. Yeah. First unload on the go of the year. Dump going out the bottom of the grain cart. So that was fun. Yeah, other than that, that's all that's going on here. Up this year. Nothing too big, just a doe. Is this deer gonna move? Oh, yeah, it took off. It's actually the first deer I've seen. He just dipped in. She's raining. So yeah, this is the first day of harvest. Half of that bag's gone. Half of my Halloween candy. I got my bag stuffed under my seat. I haven't actually ate that much candy. I've just been munching on these. These things are the best. But yeah. Here, let's turn around so you can see it coming. Alright. This might be hard. I'm gonna have to get out and clean the window. Yes, I am. Yep, this is where I sit back. Oh my gosh, I just swear about windows so bad. This is where I sit back and wait for my load, which don't take too long. I normally sit here and watch YouTube videos. Get caught up on those since I haven't been watching those. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow we're planning on chilling tomorrow. I need to find if I got. Yep, I do have another water bottle. I have a bag of chips too. No. Alright, well, I'm gonna. Is there a spike bar? Well, I gotta show you this. There's a deer. You a deer right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna sit back and wait for my load. Alright guys, that's it for the night. It's pouring. So I'm dumping the rest we got on this truck. We're headed home to the farm. But yeah, it's just pouring. I mean, look at it coming off that hood. He's coming up. He's gonna dump on me. All right, guys. See you all in the next one, which will be tomorrow. All right, guys. See you all in the next one. Bye.